Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace outline color of text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take a text box. Now we can see here this text box available the outline color black. Now we want to replace this outline color. Click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click the shape outline. You can choose any color. Now I select the orange color. Now we can see we replace the outline color of this text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.